Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the kit contents and placing everything within reach. This prevents interruptions mid-procedure. Clean the application area and your hands, then don gloves to reduce contamination. Once done, prime the applicator if the kit requires it. That ensures accurate dosing. Make sure you read the label for the exact dose, because correct volume matters for effectiveness. Keep a timer or clock visible so you can track any timed steps that follow. You open the vial with steady hands, taking care not to touch the tip. Sterility keeps the product safe. Then apply the solution in an even layer using the supplied applicator, because uniform coverage ensures consistent absorption. Once applied, hold the applicator steady or maintain the treated area undisturbed for the recommended dwell time. This lets ingredients penetrate properly. If instructions call for layering or repeat passes, make each pass deliberately. You finish by disposing of used components safely, sealing them in a bag, and washing your hands again to remove residues. Then log the time of application and any sensations you notice. That record helps you and support identify patterns. If you experience redness or stinging beyond mild discomfort, rinse the area with cool water and stop further use. This reduces exposure. If symptoms persist, contact support or a clinician and provide your application notes so they can advise next steps.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.